One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Any man who thinks he can be happy and prosperous by letting the government take care of him better take a closer look at the American Indian. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is. It's how we use it that makes things possible. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. Success is 99% failure. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. Life is a series of experiences, each of which makes us bigger, even though it is hard to realize this. For the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success.